Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable don't allow sites to show images on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable don't allow sites to show images on Google Chrome, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. In left pane, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down. The last option, site settings. Click on site settings. Again scroll down. Here under content you will find images. Click on images. The default behavior is site can show images. And you will find another option here, don't allow sites to show images. Just click here to enable it. Now don't allow sites to show images is selected on my Google Chrome. Now I am going to check. Open another tab, open a website. Look, the site cannot show its images in my Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.